up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video today. So we gonna do a little POV for y'all boys. I did give me some more tires as y'all seen in the last video. So you feel me? We back to driving how we want to. You know, we back to driving how we was. You know, the car sounding better than ever. I know y'all hit on pops back there. We just gonna slide on through right here. What y'all know about that Hellcat motherfucker? I'm gonna let the windows up and let the windows up so y'all won't be hearing all that wind noise. I know that probably get a little annoying for y'all. But how y'all been doing today? Even though I know it's not live, but how y'all boys been doing? You feel me? I got a lot planned. I got some collabs this weekend that we're gonna be doing. You know, keep the content rolling. Keep pushing out that content for y'all. I do got a sponsorship that I'm supposed to be in the making of getting. I've been talking to them. I did my sponsorship agreement letter. And they supposed to be sending your boy some product. Sending your boy some products and stuff for me to, you know, review on the channel and stuff. So we got that in the making. I need to slide by. Get through there. But yeah, like I was saying, I got a lot of collabs and stuff that I'm gonna be putting out video wise with other people with cars and stuff. And like I said, we got the sponsorship and stuff in the making. So you know, that's just what I've been up to. Trying to see how these tires hook up. I think on a 40 roll they spin just a little bit. On the 60 roll they pretty much hook up. From a dig, y'all already know how that is. The Hellcat don't want to hook on a dig for nothing unless you at the drag strip. What we got right here, a little RT. He don't want no smoke. He know what we'll do to him. Oh, never mind, that's a older lady. Let her go on by her day. Oh, the Birmingham roads. Birmingham roads, they got some recoil. You go over these potholes, you gonna have to get your frame repaired. What is this right here with this demon hood? It look like a V6 RT. Yeah, just a little RT. Get in this lane because I know they're gonna drive slow. Also, we gotta look out for the police They always be lurking somewhere. I got pulled over like right here. They thought my car was stolen. Oh my, this baby's pulling. I'm talking about, when I say that car be pulling, that car be pulling. I'm really ready to do some performance mods to it though. I see what Underground Tuning got like one of their tuning kits, and it say it adds 70 horsepower. So I'm trying to see if I'ma do one of their tunes and maybe do something to my pulley, and that should put me probably at like 850 horsepower, probably like 700 and some wheel. You know, something slight, nothing too much, nothing too crazy. For right now, at least. You know, we're gonna have a whole lot of stuff. I just need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? And mess with my YouTube channel. And we're gonna get all type of stuff. All type of cars. Window down a little bit. It's getting hot. I got a question. Do y'all drive? I don't think you're supposed to drive fast with the AC on. I don't ever drive. I really don't drive this car with the AC on, for real, for real. I always have my windows down. I feel like when I have my AC running, it make the car go slower. Hey, also, can y'all give me some collab video ideas? Because I got people who want to do some collabs, but we really don't know what's the best type of videos. I know I got somebody, well, I got a couple of people who we probably just gonna get in like a group, and we just gonna do like a highway drive of us cutting up in traffic and stuff. But y'all give me some video ideas for us to do. Because I'm going to start collabing a whole lot more. I'm trying to get me together like a little team where we can get together, you know, film, record, you know, make the videos a little bit more exciting. Because I feel like with me just making videos by myself, there's only so much that I can do. When y'all have more people around who filming with y'all, you know, it bring out a little bit more personality out you or something. Whatever I'm trying to say. Y'all should get what I'm trying to say. Well, who blowing that horn? I get paranoid when people blow the horn. Man, these potholes is ridiculous. And I'm very bit back right now. I gotta go get me something to eat before I go to this appointment. That boy got a Catless Maxima. That bitch sound horrible. It sound like they got a beer can as a muffler. They need to get that fixed ASAP. And look at all of this traffic. I'm saying, y'all gonna let me over? We were gonna make ourselves get over. We were big bully in traffic. The person behind me looking crazy. I think I need to break these tires in because these are brand new. I know in my Scat Pack, when I ran these tires, they did pretty good. I don't know, I just feel like this is a different beast. But I mean, it is an all-around tire, which is what I'm gonna be sticking with through the winter time anyway. It don't snow much here, it just be cold, but I know I definitely can't run no drag rail with it being cold and stuff, and especially not the rain. Watch out, birds. What if I would have slid this? I think if I was to do that, I'd never do that over here. The police would assassinate me. Speaking of police, there's one right there. I know Homewood police be on demon time. I'm not even finna downshift loud over here. Alright, YouTube. This is gonna wrap it up for this video. I gotta go ahead and cut it short today because I got a hair appointment to go to get my hair retwisted. And I'm getting some food right now, so I'm gonna go get my food, get my hair twisted, and I'll check back in with y'all later on throughout the week. So if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that push notification bell so y'all do not miss out whenever I drop more bangers. And until next time, this will be it. Peace.